Transferring money from RIA to GCash is simple and convenient. Start by opening the RIA app or visiting their website, then log in to your account. Tap Send Money and choose your country as the sending location. Select the Philippines as the recipient's country, enter the amount you want to send, and choose GCash as the payout method. Fill in the recipient's full name and GCash registered mobile number. Review the exchange rate and fees, then confirm your transaction using your preferred payment method, like bank transfer or card. Once processed, the funds will be sent directly to the recipient's GCash wallet and available almost instantly. With RIA's secure platform and real-time tracking, you can rest assured your money arrives safely. Ready to send? Try it today with RIA Money Transfer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy guides on sending money online.